Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you all are aware that in my last video I finished reading an explanation of chapter 4, the anime in Vistas. Today in this video we are going to read poem 3, Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. Okay, so let us begin, as it is very interesting poem which is based on the meditation introspection. So before we have begin the poem, before beginning the poem, let us meditate. So how to meditate? You all know very well how to meditate. So take a deep breathe in and then now breathe out completely. Just I am telling you the process, you can note it down and meditate later. Close your eyes and just watch the natural health. You do not need to change or modify it. Just watch the breath coming in and going out without judgment. If your mind wanders, bring it back to the breath. This is the natural health. This is the natural breathe meditation. You can do this anytime. This is a tool that will help you have control over things in your life. So this way we should meditate. The process I have made you write down. Also there are many videos on YouTube on meditation. You can watch those videos and meditate. Now let us begin the poem, Keeping Quiet. First of all, we will talk about the poet Pablo Neruda. The poet of the poem is Pablo Neruda, who lived between 12 July 1904 to 23rd September 1974. His name was Ricardo Eliezer Neftali Reyes Basalto. His pen name is Pablo Neruda. He is a children poet. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. He started writing poems when he was 13. In this poem, Neruda talks about the necessity of quiet introspection. The poem which we are going to read, the poet talks about the necessity of quiet introspection. So let's begin the poem. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep quiet. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. So now we will count up to 12. So here the poet asks everyone, the poet asks us to count up to 12. Okay, now we will count up to 12. The poet tells us that we should count up to 12 and we will all keep still, we will all keep quiet. So everyone, the poet wants everyone to involve in this activity. The poet wants everyone to involve, everyone on this earth to involve in this activity, the poet wants everyone not to do anything, not to talk, no activity. All should be calm and ready to listen. No chaos. Look inwards and do a little introspection. So the poet wants everyone to introspect themselves. For once on the surface of the earth, let's not speak in any language. So further, the poet asks us not to speak in any language, as languages cause barriers. There should be no comprehensive idea, no understanding of each other, neither verbal nor sign language. So the poet talks about both the language. The poet wants us not to talk in any language, whether it is verbal language or it is sign language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. So here arms is an instance of pun. The poetic device pun. In puns, duplicacy of sense is created because of unity of sound. Arm here stands for a body part as well as the weapon. So the poet wants us not to move our arms, means not to use any weapon, any types of instrument. So let us not use any type of such weapons which can harm others. Here the poet wants to give us the message of harmony. The poet wants us to live in harmony. So that is why the poet says that let us not move our arms too much, let us not speak in any language, let us introspect ourselves. So the title Keeping Quiet, dear students, emphasizes the necessity of quiet introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. It conveys Neruda's philosophy of an exotic moment of silence and inactivity, which can an antidote to war, violence, hatred, exploitation and turmoil. By keeping quiet, mankind can try to understand itself and stop harming itself with death and destruction. Thus the title Keeping Quiet is very appropriate. So in the first stanza, the poet wants us to keep quiet at least till when the poet finishes the counting up to 12. So the poet has taken the numbers 12 because there are 12 months in a year, okay, and there are 12 hours in the day. So that is why the poet has taken these numbers from 1 to 12. Now we will count up to 12 and we will keep still. So the poet wants us to keep quiet until the poet would count up to 12. There should be no activity, there should be total calmness. Okay, the poet does not want to speak in any language because language is the barriers. Languages are the biggest barriers. There should be no activity, and here everyone should be keeping quiet and keeping introspecting themselves. Let us for 1 second, at least for 1 second, let us not move our arms. We must, the poet wants to tell us that we must the poet wants to teach us that we must introspect ourselves at least once in a day, whether it is the short duration of time period, but it must be done. Okay, so what is sometime a question is asked, what is the significance of number 12? So 12 number, number of hours in a day, 12 months in a year, and 12 zodiac signs. The span of time will calm everyone, all ready for introspection. So the poet simply in one line, if we in a nutshell, if we wants to conclude what is the message in the first stanza, so we can conclude that the poet wants us to keep quiet at least for a few minutes and introspect ourselves. Now, second stanza. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. So, before moving ahead, dear students, let me make you write down what I have explained about stanza 1. Let me write down on the board, so you can also paraphrase it in your notebook. Now we will count. Now we will count. What does it mean? So the poet wants to say that everyone together, everyone together, all involved, everyone together, all involved in this process of introspecting. So which poetic device has been used? Repetition of W. So that is why it is alliteration. Alliteration has been used here. Now, what is the significance of 12? As I have already told you, there are 12 months, 12 number of hours in a day, and 12 months in a year, and 12 zodiac signs. Okay, so this is the significance of number 12. So you can take the screenshot of it, either you can pause the video and write down. Let me grab it. Let's not speak in any language. Let's not speak in any language. Why does the poet say so? Because languages cause barriers. Because languages cause barriers. Languages cause barriers. No comprehensive idea. No comprehensive idea. Because of the language, there is no comprehensive idea. No understanding of each other. No understanding of each other. No understanding of each other. Neither verbal nor sign language. The poet wants us to speak neither verbal or neither verbal nor sign language. The poet wants us to not to speak, neither speak in verbal language nor in sign language. Okay, so let me rub it. I hope you have written it. Either you can write it or you can take a screenshot of it. What does keep still means? Keep still means no activity, all calm and ready to listen. There should be no activity, all calm and ready to listen. Ready to listen, all calm and ready to listen. No chaos, look inward and introspect. No chaos, no chaos, look introverts, look inwards and introspect. Look inwards and introspect. Okay. So here I have explained each and every word so that you can understand the poem in a better way. Let me rub it. Let me make you write what is the significance of keeping quiet. Here, what does quiet refer to? Conveys the message of universal peace. It conveys the message of universal peace. Conveys the message of universal peace, tranquility. Okay. Now, what is the significance of this title, Keeping Quiet? So let me rub it and write down the significance of this title. How we can justify the title, Keeping Quiet. The title Keeping Quiet emphasizes necessity of quiet introspection. Necessity emphasizes the necessity of quiet introspection the necessity of quiet introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding and creating a feeling of mutual understanding. Creating the feeling of mutual understanding, philosophy of an exotic moment of silence. Philosophy of an exotic moment of silence. Philosophy of an exotic moment of silence and inactivity, which can be antidote. Let me rub it and write down. Philosophy of an exotic moment of silence and inactivity, which can and inactivity which can an antidote to war, violence, which can an antidote to war, violence, hatred, to war, violence, to war, violence, hatred, exploitation, hatred, exploitation, hatred, exploitation, and turmoil, and turmoil. By keeping quiet, mankind, let me rub it in. By keeping quiet, by keeping quiet, by keeping quiet, need not write it in capital. What I am doing, it happens something. By keeping quiet, mankind can try to understand. Mankind can try to understand itself and stop harming itself. And stop harming itself, and stop harming itself. With death and destruction. Itself with death and destruction. With death and destruction. Thus the title is very appropriate. Thus the title is very appropriate. Thus the title is very appropriate. Okay, dear students, so you must write it down, the significance of title or the meanings of the words which I have made you write, so that you can understand it well. So it's all about this video. In my next video I'll once again explain this stanza, and then we will discuss the remaining stanzas of this poem. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.